In the quest for effective financial management, businesses of all sizes seek accounting software that simplifies complex tasks, ensures accuracy, and provides clear insights into their financial health. Among the myriad options available, Kashoo sometimes emerges in conversations, especially for those looking for cloud-based solutions. This naturally leads to the fundamental question: is Kashoo used for accounting? As an accounting software expert, I can definitively state, yes, Kashoo is designed and used for accounting, particularly catering to the needs of small businesses, freelancers, and entrepreneurs. It's a cloud-based accounting solution that aims to simplify bookkeeping and financial management for users who may not have extensive accounting backgrounds. Kashoo's core functionality revolves around the principles of double-entry accounting, which is the gold standard for accurate financial record-keeping. This means that for every financial transaction, there are at least two entries, a debit and a credit, in different accounts. This system ensures that the accounting equation, assets equals liabilities plus equity, always remains in balance, providing a robust framework for tracking money in and out of a business. While Kashoo handles the complexities of double entry in the background, its user interface is designed to be intuitive, allowing users to enter transactions without needing to be professional accountants. Key accounting functions supported by Kashoo. Kashoo provides a suite of features that cover the essential accounting needs of a small business. Invoicing and billing. A primary function of any accounting software is to help businesses get paid. Kashoo allows users to create professional, customizable invoices, send them to clients, and track their payment status. It supports recurring invoices for regular services and integrates with payment processors, like Stripe, to enable clients to pay online directly through a link in the invoice, speeding up cash flow. Expense tracking. Keeping a meticulous record of business expenses is crucial for tax purposes and financial analysis. Kashoo offers tools to easily capture and categorize expenses. Users can often upload receipts via their mobile devices, ensuring that all spending is accounted for. It also helps manage bills to pay, providing a clear overview of outstanding liabilities. Bank reconciliation. This is a vital accounting process that involves comparing your company's bank statements with your accounting records to ensure they match. Kashoo facilitates bank reconciliation by allowing users to connect their business bank accounts and credit cards directly. It can automatically import transactions, and its smart reconciliation features help match bank entries with your recorded transactions, significantly reducing manual effort and identifying discrepancies. Financial reporting. Understanding your business's financial performance is impossible without clear reports. Kashoo generates essential financial statements that are critical for decision-making and tax compliance. These typically include income statement. Profit and loss shows your revenues and expenses over a period, revealing your net profit or loss. Balance sheet provides a snapshot of your company's assets, liabilities, and equity at a specific point in time. General ledger, a comprehensive record of all financial transactions within your accounts. Unpaid invoices/bills reports helps you stay on top of who owes you money and who you owe money to. While Kashoo's reporting options might be more limited compared to enterprise-level software, they provide the necessary insights for small business owners. Sales tax management. For businesses that collect sales tax, Kashoo helps manage sales tax calculations and reporting, simplifying compliance with tax regulations. Multi-currency support. For businesses dealing with international clients or vendors, Kashoo offers multi-currency capabilities, allowing you to invoice and track expenses in different currencies. Contact management. It includes features for managing customer and vendor details, which are integral to accounting processes like invoicing and bill payments. Who is Kashoo best suited for? Kashoo positions itself as a simple cloud accounting solution, making it particularly suitable for freelancers and sole proprietors, individuals who need a straightforward way to manage their income, expenses, and invoicing without the complexity of larger systems. Small service-based businesses, consultants, designers, writers, and other service providers who primarily deal with invoicing and expense tracking. Businesses prioritizing ease of use. Kashoo is designed for users who may not have formal accounting training, and prefer an intuitive interface over a vast array of advanced features they might not use. Businesses needing mobile accessibility. Being cloud-based, Kashoo offers strong mobile apps, allowing users to manage finances on the go, capture receipts with their phone camera, and send invoices from anywhere. Businesses seeking accountant collaboration. Kashoo allows for easy collaboration with an accountant or bookkeeper, providing them with secure access to your financial data for review and tax preparation. Limitations to consider. While Kashoo is indeed used for accounting, it's important to set realistic expectations and understand its scope. It typically focuses on core accounting functions and may not offer extensive inventory management. If your business has complex inventory needs, e.g., tracking stock levels across multiple locations, managing production costs, Kashoo's inventory features might be basic. Integrated payroll. Like many accounting software solutions geared towards very small businesses, Kashoo generally does not include a full, integrated payroll module for automatically calculating and filing employee wages and taxes. Users typically rely on separate payroll services and then record summary entries in Kashoo. Advanced project accounting. While it offers project tracking, it may not have the depth of project-specific reporting or job costing found in more specialized software. Advanced integrations. While it integrates with key payment processors, its ecosystem of third-party app integrations might be less extensive than larger players like QuickBooks or Xero.